Solving simultaneous equations graphically. Suppose we are asked to solve y equals 3x minus 2 and y equals 8 minus 2x simultaneously, using a graphical method. Remember, to solve simultaneously means finding a value of x and a value of y, which satisfies both equations. We can graph the two equations. So for y equals 3x minus 2, I'm going to have a grid, and then I'm going to have a grid for y equals 8 minus 2x. So here, let's choose the values of x, 0, 1 and 2. We substitute 0 in, 3 times 0 take away 2 gives us negative 2. Then 1, 3 times 1 is 3, take away 2 gives us 1. Then 2, 3 times 2 is 6, take away 2 gives us 4. So let's plot these on the graph. So 0, negative 2, 1, 1, 2, 4. Draw a line through them, and of course label the line. Now here I'm going to choose 0, 3 and 6 as my x's. Substituting 0 in gives me 8. Substituting 3 in gives me 2. Substituting 6 in gives me negative 4. Let's plot those points and draw the line. And of course, we'll label that. Where they intersect is the solution to the simultaneous equation. They intersect at the point 2, 4, and therefore x is 2, y is 4 is the solution. We can apply the same idea to one linear equation and one quadratic equation. For example, here. This is y is x squared minus x minus 6. This is y equals x plus 2. We can see intersections here at negative 2, 0, and here at 4, 6. So x is negative 2, y equals 0, x equals 4, y equals 6 are both solutions to this system. In this case, we have y is x squared minus 3x and y equals x minus 4. In this case, they just touch here. The line is a tangent to the curve. And so there's just one solution. X is 2 and y is negative 2. We can also have a situation where there are no solutions because the line does not intersect the curve.